Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. Why don't we make a strawberry daiquiri? A daiquiri, like my husband would say. I'm like, no, it's daiquiri, it's a word in Spanish. These are easy and so refreshing, they're delicious. Did you know that daiquiris were created, if you want, in the late 1800s in Daiquiri, Cuba? There was an American man by the last name of Cox, and he was working in the mines there. And one day he just squeezed some lime inside his Bacardi white rum with some ice and sugar, and hello, that's where the daiquiri came, and that's why it's called a daiquiri, because it was created in Daiquiri, Cuba. Isn't that interesting? In the 1940s, there was a shortage of whiskey, vodka, all those liquors, but Roosevelt made a good neighbor pact with Latin America and the Caribbean, so there was all kinds of rum because, the pact was for traveling and for trade. So these became very popular in the 1940s. Still very good though. If you haven't subbed and you would sub, I'd really appreciate that. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up please, and comment down at the bottom. Let me know if you have other flavors of daiquiris that you like so I can make them for you. Thanks guys. We're gonna make a simple syrup for our daiquiri. I have a cup of sugar in here and I have a cup of water. I'm just gonna mix it. This obviously is going to be too much to just make a couple daiquiris, but I like keeping this in the refrigerator and have it to make lemonades, to make all kinds of things, because it sweetens, but you don't have that grittiness of the sugar. All we're going to do is dissolve the sugar. Once it's dissolved well, we are going to turn off the heat and let it cool down. That easy. All right. This is completely dissolved. We're just gonna let it cool down and make our cocktail. We're gonna put a cup of frozen strawberries into our blender. To that, we're going to add 3 strawberries which I sliced. 1 ounce of that syrup that we made. The juice of half a lime, that's half an ounce, by the way. And 2 ounces of white rum. We're gonna blend this. Look at that, yeah. I'm gonna garnish each glass with a strawberry. Oh my gosh, let's taste this. Ah, yes, very nice. It is sweet, so I'm sure this will make you tipsy very quickly. Please enjoy responsibly, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.